Hey, yo, you're vibing with Randy.
I picked up this ultimate black plastic restorer by Meguiar's, and did a little review on it, tested it, and I hope you like it. Today we're going to be trying this Meguiar's ultimate black plastic restorer. We're going to see how it does on my mirrors. Ignore the mud on there. This is what she looks like right now. We're also going to do it here. And we'll probably do the before and after right here. We'll do the before and after here. I just want to say I'm not sponsored or affiliated anyway with Meguiar's. This here is it applied on the left side before wiping down. I want to note another nice thing about using this is I don't got to mask anything off. I just apply it with the applicator right onto the area. Usually you have to mask everything off and spray or whatnot. This is more of a polish. I want to say the results are instant. As again, the left, we have removed the residue. This here's before, this here's the after, and it made a wonderful cleanup of the dried out plastic and made it look actually back to black. Here's this mirror. Here's this mirror here, not cleaned up. You can see how gray it is. The other one was the same way. Thanks for watching my review on this. It did work, and it says it lasts for weeks. I don't know how it's going to work when it goes through a car wash or something like that, but for me, weeks is nice. You know, it should be tested in the rain, but that's something I don't desire. I just want to see what it looks like on the car. But it does say it lasts for weeks, and it does say it's extended durability. So, it does work. And thanks for checking in. Subscribe if you haven't. And you have a good day.